an engineer within. Pull this back just a little bit. I'm an engineer here at Nfina Technologies. Today we're going to be presenting on a couple of storage solutions that we're pretty excited about here at Nfina. And we're going to dive into some deployment cases we had with customers on these. First things first, who are we? We're a solutions provider, US-based storage, server, data center infrastructure solutions provider based out of Alabama. We're actually out of Mobile, Alabama. Our products carry the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. We have a market-leading 5-year warranty, so we stand behind our products with that 5-year warranty. We have 24/7 US-based tech support. And now we're going to jump into hyper-converged solutions. So that's kind of what this presentation is about. We're going to be presenting 2 different hyper-converged solutions here. Thank you. And the first of these, before we get into that, we're actually going to talk about why you would want to do a hyper-converged solution in the first place. So, why would you choose a hyper-converged solution over a traditional storage and networking architecture? So the first of these is going to be, cost-based. So hyper-converged solutions are going to provide you with a lower total cost of ownership, as well as allow you to consolidate your hardware. This is going to be not only in hardware consolidation, you're going to save money, but you're going to save money in the management of these systems in the future. There's also an ease of procurement where you can actually get these systems. Usually you can buy an end-to-end solution in the hyper-converged market with a single SKU. You don't have to go out and source out different products. You also have one point of contact for support on these products. You're not going to have vendors blaming each other for problems you may have. If you buy a hyper-converged solution from a single vendor, then that's going to be your only point of contact there to get support on that product. The deployment of these systems can be highly automated, and the management interfaces bring everything into one central pane. So you can manage these hyper-converged systems without having to go to 3 or 4 different management interfaces. So the first solution we're going to talk about here today is Storage Spaces Direct. As everybody knows, this is a Microsoft solution. The hybrid, the drive configurations here, there's many different architectures. You could do a hybrid array where you have spinning hard disk drives with either SSD or NVMe caching these drives to accelerate your reads and writes. You could do an all-flash configuration where you're doing all SSDs. You could even do NVMe's caching SSDs, or you could do a pure NVMe solution, which is going to be your highest performance there. Storage Spaces Direct is 2 to 16 nodes, so you can start out small with as little as 2 nodes, and you can scale out as you need to add storage here, all the way up to 16 nodes. The resiliency options here, they have 2-way mirroring, which is only recommended in a 2-node deployment by us. 3-way mirroring, which by far is going to give you the best performance out of any of your resiliency options. They offer dual parity and mirror accelerated parity, which are dual parity is going to be the lowest performing option out of the 4, and your mirror accelerated parity is going to give you decent performance with a better capacity efficiency than you would get with 3-way mirroring. We do recommend, as well as Microsoft recommends, using RDMA network cards in here. That's how Storage Spaces Direct works. It's going to take all the local disks in each node. It's going to go out over SMB networks that are connected between each nodes to create pools of storage, which you can then carve out volumes and store your VMs on there. Storage replica here. This is was a new feature in 2016 as well, and in the case I'm going to be speaking on, we actually leveraged storage replica to actually replicate between S2D clusters in different locations. So with storage replica, it's a block level replication mechanism that you can create synchronous replication between the S2D clusters. So this is a deployment case. This was with a radiology clinic out of Montgomery, Alabama. So here we had 2 3-node storage spaces cluster to a cluster to a second 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 storage spaces direct cluster off-site. And we're able to successfully fail over all the VMs from one site to a second site using this mechanism. A second solution we're going to talk about here today is going to be our Jovian-based hyper-converged clusters. With this, it uses a virtual storage appliance here, which we would install on top of Hyper-V. The operating system here is going to be OpenE's JovianDSS software. This is a ZFS-based software. It has native backup, business continuity, and disaster recovery built in. So with this, as far as the resiliency options, you get in-way mirrors, single, dual, triple parity RAID. It's also a hybrid caching solution. So first layer of cache here is going to be in RAM, and then you can also add SSDs or NVMe drives to do read and write cachings as well. It does support thin provisioning, compression, dedupe. All those features are built in. And as I've already said, it has native backup and DR built in. So you get unlimited snapshots and clones of your volumes. And that allows you to have complete RPO and RTO flexibility here. So this is an example of that flexibility, complete RPO and RTO, complete RPO and RTO. So with this, at the top line there, we're showing that you're taking on your production server a snapshot every 5 minutes, and you're going to hold it for an hour. And you're also going to take a snapshot every hour. You're going to hold it for a day. And you're also going to take a snapshot every day and hold it for a month. And that's locally on your production server. And then on the backup server, which you're replicating off-site, you can carry a different retention plan where you're taking a snapshot every hour, you're holding it for 7 days, every day for 6 months, and every week for 5 years. And you could add multiple replication or destination servers to replicate to. So with that, you're going to have multiple copies of your data in multiple locations. So this would be a typical architecture here. So we would have a high HA cluster on site as your primary storage. You could have a backup server on site where you're replicating these snapshots to. And then you could also have a backup server off site in a data center or at another office where you're also replicating your snapshots to. So with that, you have your data in 3 different locations. And that protects you against all of these risks here on the right. Virus attack, you have your snapshots locally or remotely that you could recover from. Data corruption, there's built-in metadata checksumming that protects you against things like bit rot, things like that. Disk failure, you have RAID. Rebuild failure, you have a second RAID. System failure, you're going to have a backup server and a remote backup server. Natural disaster, you have a remote backup server. And pretty much everything else is you have backup and remote backup servers, which are going to protect you. Downtime, you have HA here in the beginning. So this is a deployment case here. This was at the Mobile Chamber of Commerce here. They needed storage for a Citrix Zen desktop VDI environment. So we provided them with this. It was a small deployment with 2 1U servers. We have Jovian running as a VM on top of Hyper-V. We're actually passing through the local storage in each of those 1U servers for the VM's control, which is then delivered back to the Windows 2016 hosts over iSCSI, and it's added to failover clustering that way. and for shared storage between the hosts. So in this architecture here, you could completely walk up and power down either one of those boxes, and VMs are going to migrate across, and you're not going to have any downtime. And also with that, they have backup built in, which they're taking local snapshots, and they're also sending those offsite. So in summary here, Nfina, we provide anything from server storage all the way down, data center infrastructure. We have integrated backup, DR, and business continuity built into our products. We have complete flexibility on our RPO and RTO. We carry a 5-year warranty and the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. And both of these demos here that I was speaking on today, we actually have the demos set up in our booth if any of you guys want to come by and check out the demos. Thank you.